In today's video, you'll learn how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator. If you don't already have Illustrator, you can get it by clicking the link down in the description. So the first thing you want to do is to create your text you would like to add an underline to. I have done that right here with the type tool. So all you actually have to do is just select your text you would like to underline. In this example, I'll just select this text right here. Then go up in the top bar and choose this character panel and click on this. In here we have all of these different options, and you want to choose this right here which says underline. And if you press on this, we can just go out and we can see that we have now added an underline to our text. And you can always remove this again by just selecting the text, going up in character and unchecking this right here. And it is now removed. So yeah, that's actually how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That was all for now. See you in the next one.